Hello, beautiful family. How are you doing? Thank you for your love. Thank you for your support. I just can't thank you enough. So, my beautiful family, today is another day that the Lord has made, that we should rejoice and be glad indeed. I just want to give you the update about the 2 week sit at home. Today is the day 3 of the sit at home, and a lot has been going on, of which I want to carry you people along so that you also get updated of the latest happening in some of the communities that you will not be able to come across them. So that is why I am here for you, so I can take you along of what is happening and what people are saying about IPOB, Biafra, and every other thing. You just need to watch this video to the end, because this video is comprises of a lot of information. So watch this video with me and drop your opinion in the comment section, and do well to share the video, and I'll be right back.
Life and direct in Ebony. Today being 2nd August 2023. You can see it everywhere, total dry in Ebony State. Everywhere is under lock and key. You can see it, no movement in Ebony State. You can see the situation report in Ebony State live now. You can see it, everywhere is under lock and key. No movement in Ebony, no movement, even a single, no movement. You can see it by yourself.
Hello, Biafrans. Good morning, lovers of freedom all over the world. Today's date is the 2nd August 2023, and I am reporting live from Nifite, Nibo, Anambra South local government area of Anambra State. Today, I am reporting from village because they said it is only those in township that is observing the sit at home. So I told them that today I am going to report from village. As you can see, this is village. This is Ifite no Nibo Oka South local government area.
Hey, I just want you to follow us right now to Biafra Republic Government House in South Korea and see exactly what is happening there. See the work and drop your opinion. And I'll be right back.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is IPOB South Korea liaison office. Who you are looking at now is the president of the Republic of South Korea. Okay. This is our liaison office. All you know him. Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu, eternal leader of indigenous people of Biafra. This is the deputy, former vice president of Biafra, indigenous people of Biafra, Philip Effiong. Indomitable Lion, Mazi Nnamdi Okukano, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. This is Prime Minister, Biafra Republic Government in exile, Mazi Eba Simon Njoku, ESL. In this way, this is the parents of our leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, who died in the cause of Biafra restoration. This way is way to the restroom. Here is our flag, Biafran flag. Here is the Israeli flag. Here is the Holocaust, the pains that Nigerian government inflicted on us that we will never ever forget. Here is Biafran land of the rising sun. Here is the man, Bruce Mayrock. He was born 1949 to 1969. You know, he lived only 20 years. But he killed himself when he saw what the Russia, Britain, America, Egypt, and other countries with Nigerian government doing to Biafra land in 1967 to 1970. But this guy killed himself in front of White House in America in order to show solidarity of what they are doing to the evil they're penetrating to Biafran people. He couldn't withstand it. Then he went there to burn himself in a protest to show that what they are doing to us is not fair. You can see the Holocaust, the starves, the kwashiorkor they inflicted on us, hunger, and everything you can mention. Look at, some of them are our father today. Some of them died. When they are saying 5 million people died, some people don't understand that. This is what people went through in the course of Biafra. You see, look at it. Many of you must have seen Queen, the one that just died last time, when she was throwing corn on the ground for these children to be picking one after another. You know, that's one of the reasons why we should be serious in anything we are doing. We must protect Biafra with all seriousness and jealously. We don't need to be begging for anybody to support you. To support you because it's yours. It's your own. Biafra is yours. It doesn't belong to me alone. It belongs to everybody. I am one of you. You are one of me. Look at the main office. Look at it. It's well set and done. We have facts. We have phone numbers. We have everything. I don't know why when we be telling people to contribute, human being in Korea, to bring 50,000 won, which is not up to 27,000 naira or 25,000 naira, to support what we are doing is very hard for those people. But there's no problem. I just want to make this video to show you guys how far we have gone. This is complete office. Look at it. I don't know what people that running away from what we are doing, what to stand to gain if we fail.
Hey, my wonderful family, when we were thinking that we have seen it all, we never knew that it's not half at all. When we were trying to settle the conflict between the literati from Nnamdi Kanu and the Prime Minister, we never knew that there's another gbasgbos in South Africa. DOS, they sue some members in South Africa to court. Meanwhile, the DOS members, they refuse to show up in court. Ask me the problem. Say because they are protesting in South Africa for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. Why is it that they don't give Nnamdi Kanu all this type of updates? Why are they not giving Nnamdi Kanu that this is what they are doing? Please, I want to listen to each bit. Then we analyze it more better.
Incorporated in Gandhi Square, Johannesburg CBD. I'm here this morning because there was an application, an urgent application against 8 or 11 respondents brought by the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB. The application was brought by one Mr. Ogochukwu Izu, who is the national coordinator for Gauteng. This application was that he brought this urgent application to say that certain people in the papers should be suspended because there was a demonstration on the 24th of 26th of April by the United Nations building, and then that thing was carried out unlawfully or without due process. And then there was this urgent application with a rule DC on the 1st of August 2023. Today is the 1st of August 2023, and we are here. Prior before then, these 8 respondents has also brought their answering affidavit with Mazi Obiuku, who is the SADC rep. In other words, the person who is even higher than the national coordinator, brought this application to say that this had answered all the questions that was raised in the application of the national coordinator. Be it as it may, today we are here at the High Court because of the rule missing. Nothing is done. The matter was not enrolled in the High Court. Like you see, we are already in the High Court. It was not enrolled in the High Court. Before then, the advocate for the applicants also said that there is an internal hearing that is being conducted. Today we are standing here. There is no proper arrangement of that meeting. Matter is not enrolled, and so the respondents being represented here, they are agitating to say that whatever they have spent or whatever inconvenience they have suffered, they want what we call relief. So we are here. We cannot find the applicants or their legal representative. I am Tony Okori. I'm standing in for also Advocate Miranda Kubani, where we are all here present, and we cannot find the main people who brought this application. I find it very distasteful. I find it very, 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 vexatious and unethical that you have brought an application and you are not here to defend or to stand in defense for such application. So, on behalf of the people of who are aggrieved of this IPOP family, they want relief. You cannot bring somebody out, especially it's cold in South Africa, and you are not here. You are not carrying out anything. You didn't bring it to court. There is no court. Nothing is happening. This is the grievance, and these are the agitations of these people. Do we agree?
Yes.
Thank you very much.
IPOB, one family. IPOB, one family. IPOB, one family. One biggest family. IPOB. IPOB, one family. IPOB, one family.
We have come here today to defend ourselves. Among the Morons who call themselves a family member, we're here today to defend ourselves, to defend our leader, to defend our nation, Biafra. What we are here to do is to restore our land, is to make sure we go back to our land, Biafra. At the end of everything, we see.
So my wonderful family, that brings us to the end of this update. Do well to like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you and bye-bye.